Hello class, and welcome to our very first lecture series on international finance. And I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. A brief introduction of mine is that I'm a PhD. I just defended my thesis, my PhD from Donghua University, the same university which your school is affiliated. I am associated with the CIP from the last, I think, 8 years. Yeah, 8 years. So this is my fourth time that I am, or fourth semester that I am, going through with this online teaching schedules here. So, okay, we learned from our past mistakes. We are improving from our past, some improvements which already students have suggested. So in this semester, I would be, including more of, study materials, try to make this subject more fun oriented for you guys, including more videos, some very nice videos for you to clarify your concepts. And one thing, I'm open to questions. Ask questions as many as you can. And along this, after this lecture, I would be uploading the recorded lecture to my YouTube channel. I would be sharing the links, and I would be pasting it for on both platforms, on WeChat groups as well as on the Blackboard. So if you have either of the thing, group or the Blackboard, you can download from there. No problem. So material is not a problem for you guys. Okay. And even if you have a question after this class, you can still message in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer 24/7. Okay. So maybe if I'm outside or somewhere else, maybe I would not reply you on the same time, but most of the time I would reply you on instant, basis. But if I'm sleeping or something, if I'm outside, but I would be replying you. Don't worry about that. Okay. So that's a small introduction of mine. Some of you already know me, like Tiffany, PD. You already have subjects from me, and I already, included some of your colleagues or some of your classmates, suggestions to this semester as well. Okay, so please do tell me if I am speaking too fast or too slow. So please always interrupt me and say that, sir, I have a question. Can you please talk, slowly? Or I don't understand this concept. Please repeat again. Okay, so don't worry about that. My mission here is to make you guys understand. Okay, here we go. Going to the next slide. So next slide is class introduction. So please introduce yourself, your name, your nationality, and which semester you are in. Okay, so number one, Tiffany.
Hello, I'm Tiffany. I am a 7th semester marketing student. I'm from America. I live in China right now, in Shanghai. So I have family here. And yes, nice to meet you all. Thank you.
How about PD? Please turn on your camera. Okay. EJ. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, wait a second. So can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is going to be a problem here for internet. I hope we can resolve it. Okay. Ichie, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes.
Yes, EJ, I'm from China, but actually, now I'm in Madrid, Spain, and I'm doing an exchange program.
Okay, in your semester?
Like semester, what do you mean by that?
Which semester you are in your, either in your bachelor or master degree or bachelor degree, which year you are?
Um,
We cannot hear you. Your microphone, I think, got disconnected. Okay, yeah.
yeah. Yes, I'm studying business management. I'm in my 4th year.
Good. PD, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, hello. My name is PD. I'm come from Laos and my major is international trade and this is my 4th semester.
Okay. Oliver,
Hello, I'm Oliver. I'm German French, and I'm in my 3rd semester too.
third semester. Okay, good.
Right.
We are a class of, I think, 9 to 10 people. More to come from our next class. So today's class is more about introduction and some basic principles to start, about this subject. So we have one more, Dayon. Dayon, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you turn on your video and introduce yourself?
Oh, please give me a second.
Oh, sure. So PD, Tiffany, and Dayon, they already have, classes with me from previous semester. So we have EJ and Oliver as the new student here. Okay, so EJ, what is your major?
My major.
Yeah.
I'm also new.
You forgot Lancelot.
Oh, I think EJ lost her connection.
Business management.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Lancelot, right?
Yeah.
Can you please introduce
Oh.
yourself and adjust your camera?
Okay.
You can only see your eyes.
Okay. My name is Lancelot. I'm from Philippines and I'm in Shanghai right now, and I'm in my 3rd semester in Donghua.
Okay, how's situation in Shanghai? Everything is now good?
Yeah, everything's it's all right, I guess,
Okay, good.
but they're still not letting any.
Okay, let's start. Okay, regarding this course policy, so my all course policies are designed like I would be giving 10% is as attendance, but attendance include your quizzes. Of course, if you attend, you will be able to attempt the quiz. During class question answers, it's going to be very friendly session. I'm going to be asking questions. You are supposed to reply me so that we can be on the same page, everybody on the same page. Okay, and even if you don't know the question or don't know the answer, you can always repeat, sir, please repeat the question, or you can always say that, sir, I don't know the answer, so that we can be more friendly to this subject, and our attitude towards this subject is more positive as well. So I'm here to teach you guys, and you are here to learn, right? So in this is a two-way process. And of course, attendance, 10% marks also include the behavior in the class. So we'll talk about this in our next class, what do I mean by the behavior? If I'm saying that it's a friendly class, then there should be some behavior, some boundaries. So we'll talk about in our next slide. Okay, they're going to be assignments, and remember, assignments constitute here 30% of the overall evaluation. All right, 30%. So they're going to be 6 to 8 assignments. So what we discuss in our class, what concepts we discuss in our class. So I would be giving you the assignment, and remember, the assignment won't take you more than 2 hours. So I think it's going to be good for you. For a whole week, only 2 hours are required for the assignment, right? So it's not a big deal for you guys. Midterm exam, 30%. So I have a reason for this to increase the value here. And I'm going to tell you here after this. Final also, 30%. So many of the teachers or other schools, they increase the weightage of final like 60% or 70%. So I don't want this reason if you are sick on specific day, or maybe God forbid if you are having a bad day on your final exam, so you may lose a hefty amount of scores in your final. So I don't want that, right? So I believe in throughout the course participation plan, right? In this case, if you attend your class, 10%. If you do your assignments, 30%. How much is in your hand? 40%. And how much you require to pass? 60%. So that excuse that, or that maybe any unfortunate or any unforeseeable event comes and you are sick either on your midterm or either on your final term, so you still have only 20% to catch up, right? So I have designed this policy more friendly, more learning oriented, right? Easy for two-way interaction, student and teacher interaction, and of course, giving you confidence in the field of international finance, right? Any query regarding this course policy? Okay, let's move on. So like I told you, in our 10% marks for attendance, I included the marks for behavior in class as well. So remember, what I consider the misconduct in the class, or misbehavior in the class, number 1, class disruption. If you do it by, due to some, or intentionally you are doing this, disrupting the class, asking the same question again and again, and this is a gray area. If your intention is to just disturb the class, just disturb your student fellow mates, then it may be a class disruption. Okay, we have a bad internet connection. That doesn't mean that this is class interruption. Okay, so of course it is shown by your attitude. It is shown by the tone. Okay, so this is a gray area here. So I would be asking you, okay, if you are having a bad attitude or bad intention today or not. So it's a very gray area, but class disruption is